So today we're working on a 2008 Dodge Nitro 3.7 liter, and customer states he wants to replace the water pump. So the first and foremost thing we got to do on this vehicle is to remove the battery. It consists of 2 tons, one here and one there. Okay, then this one didn't have it, but this should be like a 13 bolt that goes there to hold the battery into place. Once you take the battery out, then you can work on getting your coolant reservoir take out the way. It's going to consist of T27, I believe it was. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts you're going to take out. And you can roll this out your way. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is, before you take the belt off, take your fan off. To take your fan off, you need the fan clutch tool. And I got this from O'Reilly's. Partner on this is 67 or 63. And you're going to need to use a 36 millimeter. Okay, also a tip to get this fan off, you can just use a vice grip here. Use the vice grip here, and just it's going to be counterclockwise to get the fan off. So turn it this way. Actually, yeah, this way. And then once you get the fan out, then you can work on taking off your belt. This bolt here is going to be a 15 millimeter for your auto tensioner. And once you get the belt off, then you can work on taking off the water pump bolts, which are, I believe they're 13 millimeters. Alright, we'll make a video here shortly. Again, this is a 2008 Dodge Nitro. So I recommend, if you don't memorize how to put the bolts in, for the water pump, recommend you to take out each bolt one by one and put them in the right location on the new water pump. So this way you can make sure you put the right bolt in the right location. Another thing you need to do is, if you have this, that'd be awesome to clean up all this old gasket. Or if not, use a wire brush or some sandpaper to clean the surface of the water pump housing area. And then we're going to install the new water pump. So we have the car all put back together. Fans back on there, belt. We also got the reservoir tank, antifreeze in. Sounds good. 2008 Dodge Nitro 3.7.